August 2nd, 2023. I didn't go fishing yesterday because I woke up and I wasn't really feeling it, so I just decided to stay home and relax. And good thing I did, because I got a phone call from my recruiter stating that MEPS wants a more in-depth test, I guess. More in-depth than a PFT. I can't say the name. I'll probably put it up if I can figure out how to do that in editing, but it's just gonna delay my entry a bit longer, but it's nothing too bad. But my PFT came out perfect, and I guess that wasn't enough for MEPS to decide to let me in, but once I get this other test done, I should be able to join, hopefully. So for now, I'm gonna be fishing and relaxing. Oh, and earlier I just left the doctor's office again too, because my referral for my new test that I need, they submitted one for a PFT by accident, and it's not a PFT that I need this time. So I got that sorted out about like 40 minutes ago, so hopefully everything should go good now. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. First fish of the day. Not big, but got him pretty quick. It's only been like 3 minutes. Bite. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed him. There's a little catfish right in front of me. It's probably the ones that are just biting my bait and not taking it. I think I see a carp up there eating at the surface too. It's lucky I ain't got a bow. I see a couple fish right here at the surface. Let's see if I can sneak up on them. Oh, they look like baby catfish. Oh yeah. I just got back from walking all the way over there. I saw that this rod was moving a little. And I look over. I got one. So far it seems like they're all the same size, about like 7 inches, so I'm definitely moving to the other side. Swallowed my hook, so I'm gonna have to retie, but at least it's something. Well, I caught another one. About the same size as all the other ones, and doesn't seem like there's anything bigger. But at least it's something, right? If I sound tired in today's video, it's because I only ended up getting about 3 hours of sleep, but 3 hours of sleep is more than enough, so I should be fine. And I have one of these. It's been in the fridge for about like 4 months, so I'm hoping it doesn't kill me, but it's better than nothing right now, so I'm gonna keep going.